Hello friends, welcome to English by Mahesh. Do you know how to communicate professionally in the office? Let's test your skills with 25 simple and useful questions. Get ready and let's begin. How do you greet your boss in the morning? Good morning. How do you say I don't understand politely? Could you please explain? What do you say if you need more time for a task? I need an extension, please. How do you ask someone to wait in a polite way? Give me a second, please. What is a professional way to say I forgot? I completely forgot, I'm sorry. How do you introduce yourself in an office meeting? I am Arsharaj, nice to meet you. How do you answer the phone professionally? Good morning, ABC company. How can I help you? How do you end a business call politely? Thank you for your time. Have a great day. What do you say when someone gives you feedback? Thank you for your feedback. How do you apologize for a mistake at work? Sorry, won't happen again. How do you professionally ask for a day off? May I request a leave for tomorrow? What is a polite way to ask someone to repeat something? Could you please repeat that? How do you confirm if you understand correctly? Let me make sure I got this right. How do you ask for help at work? Can you please assist me with this? How do you say I don't know in a professional way? I will check and get back to you. How do you respond if someone says thank you? You are welcome. How do you say I agree in a meeting? I totally agree with you. What do you say when you disagree with someone politely? I see your point, but I have a different opinion. How do you politely ask a question in a meeting? May I ask a question, please? What do you say when you are late for work? Sorry for being late, it won't happen again. How do you ask someone to speak louder in a meeting? Can you please speak a little louder? How do you introduce a new topic in a meeting? Moving on to the next point. How do you professionally ask a colleague to complete a task? Please complete this task when possible. How do you ask for someone's opinion in a meeting? What do you think about this? How do you politely remind someone about a deadline? Just a friendly reminder, the deadline is tomorrow. Well done, you have completed the quiz. How many did you get right? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.